Trying to get this back up for YouTube. So getting a rejection of that 888 like we called. That 888 was something that was just obvious. You could see in the past. I mean, it's like a red light. Let's see if that works now. Yeah, I think that was a good call, thinking that that's going to potentially pull back, which it has. Will the bubble pop? That is the real question on FLWS. Just so you guys see it. I like seeing that it's pulling back. Let's see if we get a pullback. I think we're going to see a massive drop in 10 minutes, or it's just going to start pushing up. We'll see. But I'm assuming it's going to halt, right? I mean, this stock is up 100%. Probably going to halt. Then they're going to take a look at it. Let's see if this $8 holds up here. Personally, it's really up to you. This is FLWS. I trade on Fidelity Trader Pro, but I chart on Webull. But I also have a Robinhood account. So it's really up to you. Fidelity is pretty easy to get started with. It's definitely more clunky of the day trading. This looks like the back half of the move now. I bet Crane guy's waiting for that open so he can just buy those puts. I definitely think you're better with the computer. I mean, I personally, you just saw the gains earlier I just showed you up over 100,000. I'm trading with a laptop. It just depends on the type of trader you are. Are you going to be day trading, like scalping like crazy? Are you going to be swing trading where you don't have to be as active on the computer? You got to decide what trader you're going to be. I would recommend just do Webull, do the free paper charting just to learn how to chart first. You can trade with no money and just learn. Yeah, it doesn't have all the features, but it gives you a basic idea. So I think that's pretty valuable. I mean, it really depends like what you like. I personally, I mean, I use Webull. This is what you're looking at on your screen right here. I use that, but this is just for charting. But if I'm going to buy and sell stocks, I use Fidelity Active Trader Pro. I also have Webull. So it's really up to you. Like whatever it is that makes you happy, you know? You gotta try them out. Everybody has their own preferences. It depends on what type of trader you are. Look at it. Look, now it's starting to sell off right before the bell. I'm gonna start going through different stocks to see what we got going on. This is starting to really pull back. I'm just interested in what it's gonna do at the open. Guys, you guys know this is my channel, Trading Simplified here, so appreciate it. Check out the YouTube channel if you're on the live stream at TikTok. I know some of the WAP members we have, you'll meet. I'll post in the TikTok so you can see. If you join the WAP, we have a member that likes to use, he uses Fidelity, but he also uses TradingView. And a lot of them within my WAP will use TradingView, and they love that. That's something that they pretty much swear by with their charting. So it is something that you should check out. So let's see here. Keeps doing that. Everybody's blown up BYND. I mean, if you just look at BYND, I don't know why you're thinking that. I mean, I'm just looking at it from a technical perspective of BYND. $8.85. We just pulled back to $6.50. Everybody's saying, is this going to be $300 per share? I mean, what makes you think that? I mean, this used to be $239. This thing is dead. I mean, I hope I'm wrong. I would love, that'd be great. Then you can make a little YouTube short on me. But I really think that you got to get above $8.85 first before you start calling out $300 per share. I think that's pretty crazy. Yeah, Crane Guy rejected hard at that 776. It's looking pretty weak now. I mean, you're starting to see this really start to sell off. It's crazy. FLWS right here. I would see $7 as a potential here, but let's see. If we get a pullback to like 6, maybe I'll think about it, but still risky stock. Yeah, Fidelity Trading View, it's a good combo. I only use Webull just for the charting. Just make that clear. Webull's only for the charting, guys. I'm not using Webull for day trading. D-Nut, Krispy Kreme. I mean, look, honestly, D-Nut, looking at it, it's got to get above $5 per share to even start considering this. It has been pulling back. It looks like it has momentum, but let's let it get above $5. Let it prove itself, Marcus. Let it show that, hey, we're still bullish. We're going to continue moving forward. Because when I look at this, I see this as our resistance right up in here around $5-6. Let's just see what it does. Do we have any positive catalyst behind this? Clearly, 553 is that next level of resistance for D-Nut. I do want to see what this is going to do at the open. So I'm going to leave FLWS flowers for a little bit. Guys, I appreciate you. If you're on the TikTok, please hit the thumbs up. Send a like, whatever it is. Hard thumbs up. I appreciate you guys tuning in and supporting the channel. Yeah, exactly. You know what it is? Today's the wife's birthday. I bought her some flowers for the morning when she wakes up. Maybe that's why the stock is getting pumped right now. I'm pumping the flowers. Check the goal and celebrate the moment. Oh, thank you guys. It's cool, man. I received the goal. Thank you, Crane Guy. Appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. People love BYND. They love BYND. I'm about to buy some shares in honor of you guys loving BYND, just to say I'm part of this movement. It's trading at $6 right now, Beyond Meat. All right, so we got 3 minutes opening bell. This ready to go. Yeah, it's starting to pull back now. You can see that happening. Internationally, every retail trader is trying to push this. Yeah, I agree, Crane Guy. I feel like I'm going to lose money if I buy this thing. This is why, like, I'm telling you, I've gotten so disciplined of just trading what I know, and that's led to me making money. It's definitely, I didn't make over 100 grand this year day trading penny stocks. I'm trading like actual quality stocks. Got 2 minutes to the bell opens. Flower is pulling back. Let's see what it does at this $7. I'm watching the bids. I'm watching the level 2 right now. Right now, the level 2 doesn't look very strong on the buys at 7. So let's see. Is it going to start holding? That's awesome if you're up 12K on BYND. I love that for you, man. That's awesome. Just want to put this in here. If you're interested, we'll just pin. Oh, wow, there's so many comments now. I don't even know how to pin it. There we go. I stream every Sunday for the Sunday watch list. I stream every Wednesday, 8:30 to 10:30. Usually during weekdays, I don't really stream as often. Just got things to do, take care of some stuff, but I do like to have that going. Look at this. Wow, FLWS. This is interesting. I wonder if we're gonna get a dip buy opportunity here at the bell. Let me just see the other stock. I got to make sure I'm watching my stocks too. It's funny because now it's like I'm streaming, but I got to make sure I'm watching what I actually like to trade, which is Amazon. Let's see, got Amazon there. See if anything's moving right now. If you guys see anything, call it out. Yeah, see, like this is the problem. Like you get to that that level here, and look at that, 6.8 needs to hold here. Oh, look at that sell off right there, 6.5. Oof, look at that. Selling off, baby. Selling off. Is there a way to chat in this thing? How do you write text message in this TikTok thing? Here we go. Yeah, so it looks like it potentially is going to halt here, huh? Let's see if we got any other stocks moving that we would actually trade here. I feel like the market's been relatively flat. BYND's pulling back here. This is BYND. Soundhorn right now. Interesting stock. Let me just see here. This is the AI play, right? Yeah, $24, pulled back 21. If this 1750 doesn't hold, I could see more downside on Soundhorn. Oh, wow, yeah. I moved right off of it, and look, it's bouncing. So we got BBAI. Yeah, Soundhorn, if it breaks 17.5, I definitely like that put option. NVIDIA's pulling back here. We looked at NVIDIA earlier on the live stream, and we were talking about how this is a potential rejection at 183. If you're going to go long on this, we got to see pullbacks down to 170. ETH's pulling back. Interesting. Apple, Meta. Amazon starting to finally pull back. I want to see Amazon die. Come on, right before earnings, let's go down a little further. I guess I should have bought that dip. else moving on this? BBI pulling back again. Look at that. Coming back to earth. I want to see this down in like the $6 range. Start getting interested again for BBAI. That's why I've been having less trades so far. You know what stock I think is going back to $5? RGTI. This stock got pumped, makes no money, has no revenue, $58, RGTI at $38, retesting. If this fails here, we're probably going to see $30 in RGTI. Tesla pulling back too. Let's see what it decides to do. I mean, you got to look at the overall Qs. Qs rejecting right now at 610, moving down to 608. Yeah, so far some weakness in the market you can see right off the bat. I like that. All right, let's take a look at your FLWS in the money, baby. Nice options, definitely smart to play on this. You get a nice pullback, man. This is looking pretty solid. Oh, so let me just switch to SBEV. SBEV looks like it's starting to move. Woo! SBEV's moving. This is, what is this? Splash Beverage Group. Starting to get a pop. We'll see if there's any news on these guys. Why are they moving up? When there's nothing moving, I start looking at penny stocks. Yeah, Piton is a stock that like I've just thought about just holding as well. That is a stock that I definitely have. I think it has definitely provides value, but their earnings aren't the best. They burn money. That's the problem. They're like a Lucid stock almost, kind of, where they just burn money. That's awesome, man. Cool. Glad you made some money on FLWS. All right, just putting that in there. That's a discount rate too. What stocks we watching, boys? It seems like with earnings, a lot of these stocks really are just holding up well. Wow, that really sold off. Look at that. Wow. Decided to take a crack at this stock. I just bought that dip at $2.22. I just did 1,000 shares, just a light position, and we'll take it. I mean, that was an easy. Just made a nice $140 on that. That was nice. We bought that dip. We saw that flush, and I was like, "Let me take this." So I took that flush. SBEV, bought 1,000 shares. Quick 140 on it. We'll take that. That was nice. So I like that. Happy about that trade. And that was like a very low risk. I mean, I didn't have to put a good amount of money in it. Just $1,000. Or sorry, 1,000 shares. That's, 2,400. SBEV. I don't see any news on them. That's why I was kind of a little cautious, But we'll take it. We'll take a little gain on them. Nothing wrong making a little bit of money on the day. Let's see here what else we got. Honestly, when it came to SBEV, I left it up on the charts, but I was just looking at it, and that like, if you look, you have that really thin candle. It was so thin. I mean, look how thin this wick was. 237, it just sold down. I saw this thin wick, and I was like, I gotta buy this. I bought in 225, sold up real quick. I clearly could have held this position, but I don't see any catalysts on these guys. So that's why I was kind of like, let me just sit and watch. But it just confirmed that rejection at $2.50. Got to be cautious here. This looks like it's rejecting. So this might even go lower. Let me just see where this has been in the last month. So yeah, so just keep in mind, this stock has been, it was trailing at 240. It's got a little bounce here around 220, which makes sense. You can see your consolidation here. If it breaks that level, I mean, you could be hanging down to 190s. I mean, this is a bull flag, but then look, it just pulled back so deep. So you don't know if this is going to curl or not. So you got to wait and see. It's one of those things. We'll leave this here for now. Yeah, there's a lot of selling pressure on those wicks. And you guys know, if you follow my channel, I trade with a lot heavier size. It's just because I'm trading pennies that I'm not trading heavy. I'm just sticking like 1,000, 2,000 shares. You know, if I'm buying Amazon and stuff, I'll buy like hundreds of shares. But when it comes to pennies, I'm a little more cautious. I don't have as much confidence in the small caps because they just move so fast. And you just got to be cautious trading them. That's all I'm saying. Beyond Meat got a nice bounce, so maybe these guys know what they're talking about here. $5 back up to 6. Massive, massive bounce on this bad boy. So that's kind of cool. Good for you guys on that. What is this? Yeah, BY. If you're playing BYND, I mean, you could look for that short position even at like 7.30, $7 per share. We'll see where it goes from there. Son is bouncing. SOUN. And I've been very picky because I feel like I haven't seen the market pull back that much. And I was just assuming September, October, we're going to get some kind of pullback. We didn't get no pullback. So that was very surprising, you know. But yeah, I pick and choose your plays. Look for your top A setups. Don't be trading stuff just to overtrade, you know. Oh yeah. Yeah, now, yeah, FL. Oh yeah, let's go to FLWS. I'm just watching it. I'm watching Amazon because if Amazon pulls back, I'm looking to get into this. But I need to see further pullbacks. I need to see a flush down to like 214, 213. I'll start to be interested. So it's definitely on my radar right now. FLWS, be very careful. You're trading the backside of this move. You are trading. You just made a higher low right here at $7. We're trading down to the 6. Potentially looking for a break here. And it's really difficult to see, like, where's your support in this? How do you draw support in this kind of level? I mean, max $5 per share. At $5 per share, I'll probably be interested. I don't really know what this company, why they even have this catalyst, you know? So you just have to be cautious of that. Just be aware of what's happening. Let's put that Gemini referral club. Put the WAP there if you want to join the WAP as well. We have over 20 members in it. We're growing. We got 20 guys in there, which is awesome. And we have a bunch of long-term plays, everything, which is great. I'll give you guys a quick preview too. You might as well see what this looks like. Let me see. Yeah, wait for 6 on it. We'll analyze it at 6 if we get it. Just scrolling through some stocks. Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, Solana. Right now, like for me, a big cap trader, what I like to do is I'm watching the Qs. Qs had a nice bounce. Are we going to reject now? We'll see. It just sold off. But we're in the bull market of 2025, baby. Adobe stock had a beautiful bounce. We've been calling it out if you watch my YouTube videos. 323, already up to 354. It's a beautiful entry right there if you got in. Path is selling off. We were just talking about this in the live stream. This was doing this, and now it's starting to break down. We'll see. If it breaks down past 15, I don't know, maybe 13.5. We'll see. Give it some time. Tesla, if I can, I'm going to live stream this later. I definitely want to check that out. Yeah, Crane Guy, if you're interested, I'll post the link for you. I don't know if it's going. Is it going through? I mean, this is no, that's not it. Hold on. Let me post it. You'll see. You're gonna meet like Jay Young, Manning, Oz. We got a bunch of guys on here which are awesome. I'm gonna, because you're on the TikTok live stream, I'm gonna give you the 50%. Normally we do 15 bucks a month. I'm gonna post it. It's the I'll give you the referral for just $7.50 a month, just so you can get your feet wet, get used to it, and you'll just be locked in at that price. That's 50% off. I appreciate you joining the TikTok live stream and sending the gifts. I really appreciate that as well. So I'll send the checkout link right now so you have access to it. And here's the access link right there. That's the checkout link for the 50% off to join the WAP. If $7.50 is ruining your bank account, then we got bigger problems. But you'll see, there's a lot of stuff on there. We got the beginners courses, but obviously you know how to trade already. We have our plays that we already did, which we called out a bunch of them already when it came out to UNH, Google, Amazon, Adobe. We called out Dutch Bros. Oh, there's no link? Really? Interesting. Let me try it. It's not working? This one. See if that works. Let me see the link, brother. Try that. If that doesn't work, check out my live stream on YouTube. I have it there as well. I'll just post it in the live stream chat as well, so you can join it. Because you'll see on my YouTube channel, I am live streaming right now, so that'll let you do that as well. It's still not working for you? Let me see. Yeah, I'm trying to give you the discount though. I like to show some love. You're showing love to the channel. Let me see here real quick. Hold on. What I'm going to do is this. I think I can send it to you. Everybody wants a discount. I'm going to post a discount. Let me just figure. I don't know why it's not working for you. Let me just give me 1 second. Here, I'm going to give you it. Here, let me see. I'm just not the best with TikTok, so just bear with me. Oh. There we go. Okay, so if I click on you and then click at, it'll let me do it. Okay, here we go. Paste. Try this. See if that works. I'll send this to you as well, Moto. If you're on the TikTok, you get the discount. There it is. If it works, let me know. It should work. I mean, I don't know why it wouldn't. I definitely do have the WAP in the bio, but this should be your direct access to it. What the hell's happening? This should be the direct access to it. My laptop's like freezing. Yeah, SBEV is pulling back again, which is interesting. I'm looking at SBEV. Let me go back to it so you guys can see it. My laptop, though. Hold on, let me see. I think it's because the live stream, Google's not responding. Force quit. I guess because my laptop's overheating. I usually have the fan on this laptop, and now it's getting smoked. Hold on, let me end this live stream.